let the record show I am not a 13th Amendment free Negro slave, nor chattel, nor 14th Amendment United States corporate citizen. I am competent, I am allodial, and I'm liberated.
What is a Christian nation?
What is a Christian nation? Well, that I would not know because I am a...
Today's case is a textbook example of sovereign citizen logic colliding with the reality of court. This time, the issue is unpaid rent. The defendant arrives with a printed script of familiar pseudo-legal arguments, struggling to read through them without stumbling. You can already tell this isn't going to end well. It's always fascinating to see someone walk into court, admit they haven't paid, and then insist the law doesn't apply to them. It's as if they expect the judge to say, "Oh, you're a sovereign citizen. In that case, you're free to go." But that's not how the justice system works. And by the end of this hearing, the judge will make that crystal clear. Let's watch how he tries to make his case.
This is Mr. Raleigh. I'm here on the matter. I couldn't hear.
All right, Mr. Raleigh, thank you for, that was gonna be my suggestion, to log out and log back in, but you did use the chat.
I am here on that matter, My Honor. I am, for the record, on the record, and let the record show I am not a 13th Amendment free Negro slave, nor chattel, nor 14th Amendment United States corporate citizen. I am a national, I am a Moorish American, and I have standing ancestral Moroccan Empire, the adjoining islands by inheritance, but not by purchase, Moorish pedigree. I am competent, I am allodial, and I'm liberated. I am, all rights preserved and retained without prejudice or recourse. Certificate registration number AA 77869, March 25th, 1848 AD, corresponding to the Moorish calendar 1368. Copyright owner C.M. Bays. Clock of Destiny, March 25th, 48 AD. MC 1368. Certificate registration number AA 209316, March 31st, 1952 AD. MC 1327. Masonry plus art, astrology, history, and geography. Clock of Destiny 2, reused edition of the previous book of Clock of Destiny, Title 22, Chapter 2, Consul Courts General Information. And certificate registration number AA 222141, September 8th, 1952, AD, MC 1372, Clock of Destiny, Moorish American, all Moroccan nationality card or identification with Zodiac Constitution, and certificate AA 222141 is the focus of the determination for the without a doubt affirming relationship of the relation.
To his credit, he makes it through the entire script without completely freezing, which is rare for defendants reading this kind of material. But the words themselves are a jumble of vague legal phrases strung together without meaning. One point he mentions affirming relation with the relationship. A line so nonsensical it sounds like it was copied from a random internet forum. The delivery feels rehearsed, yet disconnected from the actual situation. It's not an argument, it's a recital. And the longer it goes on, the more it becomes clear that his prepared script is a shield, not a strategy. The judge listens patiently. But you can sense they're waiting for the moment to cut through the confusion and bring the case back to reality.
Relationship property venue as law between the Moorish Franks and all foreign Christian nations. Title 8, United States Code 1324, federally protected Moors.
What did they say about the Christian nations? What you just said about, this only applies to the Christian nations?
It says other foreign Christian nations.
Other foreign Christian nation. What is a Christian nation?
What is a Christian nation? Well, that I would not know because I am a Moorish American. I'm more into being related to Moorish American ideology.
I was just trying to figure out, I was just listening. I was listening in. All right. Okay. Well, I have you checked in, Mr. Riley.
Okay.
And Ms. Haddad, are you requesting legal counsel?
Theatrics aside, the real issue here is that the defendant's legal performance isn't addressing the core problem, the unpaid rent. Instead, he's leaning on identity claims and procedural challenges that have no legal standing in this context. It's the kind of approach that might sound clever in an echo chamber. But, in a courtroom, it only tests the judge's patience. Watching the exchange almost feels like a game of chess where one player doesn't know the rules, and the other is simply waiting for the checkmate. The judge seems calm, almost amused. It's carefully letting the defendant talk himself into a corner before stepping in with the facts that matter.
Tubman Apartments versus Brian Riley and all occupants.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. For the record, Rania Haddad, P84927 on behalf of the plaintiff.
And Mr. Riley, can you please just state your name? Let's see, I'm gonna prompt you to.
A minute. Okay. For the record, my name is Brian D. Raleigh. Hello?
All right. Yes, yes, sir. Thank you. All right, were parties able to work out some type of resolution?
Yes, Your Honor. The parties have agreed to enter into a conditional dismissal with box 4B checked. Mr. Raley's balance due and owing is $2,088.46. He will pay he's going to pay $742 on the 5th of every month, beginning on 5/5/2023. That $742 includes his $542 of monthly rent per month, and then an additional $200 towards the balance. So he will pay on the 5th of every month, starting on May 5th, 2023, $742 until the balance reaches zero. And then after the balance is zero, he will resume his regular monthly rent.
And the regular monthly rent is $542, correct?
Correct, Your Honor.
So $200 extra. Is it 2088.44?
It is 2088.46.
0.46. All right. And is 4B checked?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Riley, do you understand the terms of this agreement?
Yes, I do.
All right. If you make those payments, your matter will be dismissed. In the event you don't, a judgment and a writ of eviction can be filed at the same time. We wouldn't have to come back.
Then comes the verdict, and with it, a new payment amount higher than the original rent. It's a practical outcome, but also a steep consequence for someone already behind. If he wasn't willing to pay $500 a month before, there's little chance $700 will suddenly appear. What's surprising is how quietly he accepts the decision. Many sovereign citizens react with loud protests or disruptive outbursts. But here, he simply listens and nods. Maybe it's resignation, or maybe he spent all his energy on the scripted speech. Either way, the result is the same. The court has spoken, and the law remains firmly in place. It's a reminder that no matter how polished a pseudo-legal script sounds, it can't override the basic obligations everyone is expected to meet. And in this case, the lesson was delivered clearly. Pay what's owed, or face the consequences.